Hindi makita mo.
Saan tayo dito?
Magbiyaya ako doon. Tingin ako motor pag may nakita ako. Maraming kumuha sa Vietnamese.
Si Atak talaga. Saan niya naman? Si Atak.
No, nandito ako babae. Ikot ka dyan. Malalaki na dyan. Sige. Doon. Sige, ikot ka dyan.
Yan.
Bakit hindi siya makaano? Isa sumunod ka agad kasi sa kanya.
Kaya si agent, pula yung ano.
Oy, tago mo yun.
Okay na. Ano ko kasi? Ano dyan? Naglagay ito si agent. cashier pa lang yan. Kuluro nga tayo lang. Xerox lang ata ito. Wala. Kaya ka na. Oo, nakalagay doon. Si agent. Nakatatlong na. Nakatatlong pila ko sa isang ano. Wala na kaya.
Ano yung Charmy?
Sabi si agent. Kasi ano yung ano kasi. Dahil di makapatid. Si James Mabel. Ano ka? Please si agent.
Hindi na yung kasama natin.
Ang mga nakaraan. Wag na yun yan.
Pinamili.
Ah,
Pero noon, ilalagay.
Mag-a-appear din sa'yo.
Pinakagis ng kabagi at bagahe. Ikan talaga kayo tapos lalagay ang bases. Kaya pagka ginamit mo yung ano chip isa baka magkalat yung tao. Ano yung Central Airlines? Binili mo ba ito? Ito ba yung binili natin? Kaya yes. Binili ka Erin? Hindi. Pag sinuto na yun. Pag tinanong mo,
bigyan ako na rin yung makita ng biyak ng kumari excited ba? Ulat ko. Sige nga.
Tikit na sa bayo.
Sinilid din.
Bayo.
Dito ka pwede rin yung rasta. Ito yung dito. Kalpalang.
Saan ako po yung Tayo tatlo. Hello. Hindi na nakita.
Kumpanin ka to. Paano napagulong tabi ko sa ano? Kaya yung ang kinunit na rin. Kaya ano?
Hindi naman. Ito yung bag.
Hindi, yung ano lang.
Ay, ka ba yan?
Hawakan mo na lang yan.
Oo.
Yung sinirang magkahiwawalay kami, doon sila sa kabila.
Ano sa ibang seat? Ibang nakasama.
Nanibigyan ka na yan.
Thank you.
Listen now, be the in-flight safety. Welcome to seat type 4, you're traveling better enter the bucket Break completed. It's in the carry-on. Easy with up when let it take off. Turbulence, no worry, just the still. Moments that will be gone, it will. Distance ain't non-fucking fly. It's no fucking, you know, right? Smoking and cabin better learn proceed. Follow even just the line to the nearest exit. 8 of them, 2, 3, 2, 1 of them. Changing pressure, massive point of view. Place in your nose, mouth, listen.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is flight number VJ8021 to Da Nang, Vietnam. Thank you.
Kuwait, put the handles on the wheel in place. Upload the red tube and spill right away. Lights and whistle for a turn. Shut this wrapping it too long, but thank you for your attention. For more information, read the safety car and the seat pocket in front of you and let us show it started. From your seat.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety and comfort, please take your assigned seat and store your carry-on luggage in the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. Please avoid leaving your luggage in the aisles or near the exit. Thank you for your cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, for safety reasons, all mobile phones and electronic devices are to be switched off or switched to flight mode. Passengers carrying e-cigarettes on board are required to switch them off, remove batteries, and keep them safely throughout the flight. Onboard charging of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hear this time, save it now. We're gonna make a better world.
Da Nang International Airport. Ganun pala yun. Dito pala. Akala ko dito sa SIM card.
Sinet up na namin sa airport kanina. Magkakatabi kami siguro.
Yun, di bale, ano lang. Nakaano naman yan.
QR code lang yun.
Ay, toilet ka muna.
Ay,
Sige.
toilet.
Toilet ka na.
Iyo.
Ay, ito may wifi na ako. Clock lang yun.
Hindi lang.
Uy, nandun na yung Uy, halika na. Tama na yan. Nandun na yung mga kasama natin. Uy, pumicture nga ako. Halika na.
Pandogan, bro.
Yeah! Manogan, yan na yan.
One more.
And
Evangeline.
That's my name. Beautiful name.
Okay, very beautiful name. Very beautiful name.
So we're 12. Okay?
Okay.
We need to write.
Wala pa. Baka isi-shift na lang.
Okay po. Okay.
Report na rin.
Go!
Dinadili mo na yung kapatid.
Inaantay na nga lang pa. Ayun, doon tayo.
Baka binuksan yun, tapos nakalimutan ng iba.
Okay, bus 5. 1 minute. Not yet po. Bus number 5.
Yeah, we're in bus number 5.
Bus 5.
Come back here,
Bus 5, right? 5. Please come here po.
We will sing first.
Okay, good morning po. Almost bus 5, where are you po? Okay, I just repeat the name and I divide it into. Okay. Okay, we take a group photo. After that, we move the luggage to the bus. Okay, po? Together. Bus number 5. Where is the photo? You have a banner? Photo.
Banner.
Okay, we move luggage here and we take the photo first. Okay. Maybe you can take your luggage here and we only the people. Okay. 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 Let keep your luggage here and we move here. Move here for take the photo for. Picture first. Picture first.
Picture.
Bus 5.
Bus 5. We can keep the memory together. Bus 5 po. Please come here po.
Side po yung iba, nandito po kami sa likod. Ay, meron. Dito po, dyan po sa side po.
From your phone, right?
Kami na yung banner mo. Oh, hawak. Yan, hawak daw, hawak mo sa nilo.
Sit na lang, sit.
Okay, make sure you. I can look at you. Everybody.
Oo nga eh. This is for documentation.
Okay, look at me, everybody. Do you see me? Okay. And somebody behind me.
Danang.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Happy. We say happy.
Happy.
Okay. One more. Happy.
Happy.
Okay. We made the video together. We say Xin chào Việt Nam. It means Mabuhay.
Xin chào.
Xin chào Việt Nam.
Xin chào Vietnam.
Mabuhay Philippines.
Mabuhay Philippines.
Are you ready?
Vietnam.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Action.
Xin chào Vietnam. Mabuhay Philippines.
Thank you, government.
Okay, later. Okay po.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let's go to the
Are you ready, everybody? Okay, but fine.
Where's the bus?
Maybe everyone so we go to the
Saan ba bus?
Don't have picture taking.
You want picture here? Okay, come back. Yeah, I thought you tired. Okay. Come back here.
Hindi, ipapadala na lang nila yung mauuna ka nga lang. Kasi nireport nila yan. Yung flight na papunta dito, yun ang doon nila isasakay. Ala, pinunta na doon?
Okay.
Stop ko na, be?
Okay, tara na.
Ayun. Lah, pabilisan, no? Oh!
Wala ka dyan ato.
The first line for the two guys, please go to the second line boat. The first line for the two guys. First line for the two guys. Yeah. Thank you po. Oh,
Tour guide.
The first line
Tour
for the
guide.
two guys boat, please go to the second line and until the first line.
First two line. Hindi dyan na tayo magkakasunod tayo. Yan tayo, Shirley. Re-reserve mo lang sila ha.
Dito na, no?
Kuha mo na lang.
Reservan mo na lang.
Dito sa ano to, nalagyan mo muna ng ano.
Bag.
Oo, bag. Ay, dito na lang.
Ito to.
Oo, bag. Ilan ba tayo? 2, 4, 6, 8. 10.
12 tayo.